Hey guys, I'm literally playing piano right now. Wait, at first, me too. You can skip the video if you want, but if not, please help me reach 100 subscribers because I'm only at 21. My next goal is at 50, so yeah, please like and subscribe. If you get bored, you can just skip and yeah, don't leave anything. I'll be super happy with that. Now let's start. Now let's sing Pop Goes the Weasel. Do you guys know that? If you want, you can sing along. Wait. Bruh. Again. Take two. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, next, let's play Boogie Wheel. My parents newly alive, so yeah. This is just simple.